Welcome to the personal property tour for 5C Tolbooth Wynd in Crail. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom in terraced property. You've got off-street parking, you've got front garden, you've got rear garden, you've got an integrated garage. It's immaculate inside. It's in a great location as well. I'm just going to flip the camera and take you on the tour and give you a bit of an idea of the positioning of this property. So this is the property here. So as you can see, it's in terrace, as I say. So you've got access to the side here, round to the side of the property that can take you into the rear garden. You've got your private driveway, you've got your garage here as well with your electric over doors. You've got front garden too, which I'll show you when we go in there. But location wise, where we are in Crail, literally if you go up the hill, you're into the high street. If we go down the hill, you're into Nethergate. So you're close to the harbour, the beaches and the Fife Coastal Path for the walking as well. It's in a great location, it's beautifully finished inside. I'm just going to take you on the tour. So as you can see, you've got this great off-street parking, which is such a premium, isn't it, in this location. You've got this nice kind of nautical garden area, and you've got this beautiful stone wall as well, so it's nicely enclosed. The sun's just coming out, so that's going to make it look even nicer for you to get a feel for the location and what it's like. I'm going to start on the tour. I'm really looking forward to showing you this one. It's a beautiful property. So immediately we come inside, you come into the entrance hallway, and you'll get a good feel for it once we go up the stairs about how bright and light it is in here as well. So we're going to head upstairs, and up here we have 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom. And I'm going to flip the camera back round though to show you the stairwell, because you get a real good feel for that. Look at that, you've got such a high ceiling here. When you're at this level, looking through that window, all you can see is the green from the garden, the sky, really lovely. Beautiful the way that they've done it, it's nice and bright. So from here, we've got 3 bedrooms. I'm going to take you to bedroom number 1. It's a beautiful double, isn't it? Lots of space in this property, really nice size rooms. Storage here and here. I love the way the window goes in as well, so you've got a nice seating arrangement. This is a king size bed, so plenty of space here. Really lovely size rooms. Overlooks the front. So you can see, nice country view there. Really nice size room, isn't it? We'll head back out into the hallway. And then straight ahead, we're going to go into bedroom number 2. Currently set up as a single, but you can clearly see you can get a double in here, no problem. Lots of space. So again, lovely spacious room, nice and quiet as well. No one's really coming down Tolbooth unless they're visiting, travelling. So it's quite a quiet road. Got this beautiful big walk-in cupboard as well. So lots of space in this room. Head back out into the hallway, and we're going to head into bedroom number 3. This is a great sized room as well. Again, king size bed, lots of space, lovely and bright. You've got wardrobe in there as well, so hanging storage space. Nice sized room, isn't it? And you've got views over the rear garden, which we'll see at the end. So we're going to head back out into the hallway. And the beauty of this one as well, it's got such a fantastic bathroom. So it's a 4-piece here. Lots of space. So you've got your WC, you've got your bath, you've got your sink, and you've got this great walk-in shower as well. So it's a really nice big walk-in shower. You've got thermostatic control with your rainfall shower head. It's so nicely done. Bit of a nautical feel throughout the property, but you would expect that. It's a beautiful family home, isn't it? Really nice and spacious. We'll head back out into the hallway. If I just show you the hallway from here as well, you also have a really big cupboard here as well, so lots of storage there. You also have access to the attic for storage space. Now we're going to head downstairs. So again, just want to give you a feel for the sheer openness of this. Lovely and bright. That window's just fantastic there, isn't it? So we head out downstairs and then we go straight into the lounge. So it's a lounge dining area. Immediately you can see the quality of the finish in the property. Lots of space, so you've got the double sofa area here and a chair. So plenty of social, relaxing space. You've got all this kind of display area as well, so give you a feel for the number of ways that you can utilise the room and the space that you have. You also have this dining area to the rear. So really nice space. You've got these beautiful patio doors taking you out into the garden. But again, this could be a 6-seater table. You've got a sideboard here as well. Lots of space. Dual aspect, so nice light coming into the property too. I love the finish with the door. All the white wooden doors are beautiful, aren't they? The white timber really gives it a nice feel. Then from here you go into the kitchen. So again, nice country style looking kitchen. Bonus is you've got lots of integrated with this one. So you have fridge and freezer. You also have dishwasher, You've got room for your white goods, so your washing machine, your oven. You've also got your extractor above. You've got this beautiful big Belfast sink. Overlooks the garden as well, which is really smashing. Lots of storage, great entertaining space. So you're in here with the kitchen, you're not going to feel detached from your family or friends. Your dining area here, social element to the property here as well, in regards to the lounge space. So it's really lovely. Through this door here, the bonus, as well as having your garage access to the front through that electric door, you also have integrated, so you can access the garage from here. So heading into the garage, you can see you have power as well. You've got the electric door. So lots of space. So it's a great amount of space. Big bonus is this is like a kind of lower hallway, if you like, at the back of the house. So if you have been to the beach, you're coming up through the side of the property. You get all your wellies, your coats, your umbrellas, etc. Kids, pets, it's fabulous. But you've also got this downstairs WC, which is a real big bonus. So you have your sink and your WC, so that's a real big plus. You're not kind of traipsing all the way up the house. And then as we go straight ahead, as you can see what I was meaning about these lovely white timber doors all the way through. And then from the kitchen, we head out into the garden. The garden is so peaceful and tranquil. It's a great space and such a plus to have a garden in this location. So you can see it's completely enclosed, not overlooked at all. Just lovely. You've got a nice seating decking arrangement here. So you've got your double doors that take you into the lounge dining space. You've got your timber gate here that takes you down the side of the property as well. I showed you that from the front. But it's so peaceful. It really is lovely, isn't it? And you've got a nice seating area here as well. The sun is just coming up, so it's raising itself here. It's just coming between the trees here. When that clears the cloud, it's going to be shining in the garden. It's going to be beautiful. So such a tranquil space. You can see they've maximised the seating arrangements to enjoy the sunshine. And it's going to come all the way around the property and settle here as well. So you're going to have it most of the day once it comes up. But it's so beautiful, isn't it? The rear of the property. So this is a personal property tour for number 5C, Tolbooth Wynd in Crail. It's a beautiful end terrace property. It's 3-bedroom. You've got a 4-piece family bathroom. You've got WC downstairs. You've got dining lounge. You've got a lovely kitchen. Tranquil location. You've got a beautiful garden. You've got the integrated garage. You've got the off-street parking. Fabulous location, as I say. Literally, come out the property, you're turning right, you go down the hill, you're in Nethergate, so you're just a short walk down to the harbour, to the beach, to the coastal path. Come out the property, turn left, you go up the hill, you're into Crail High Street. So you've got the beehive, you've got the fish shop, you've got the stores, you've got the butchers, you've got the bakers, so much on your doorstep. So it's fantastic for family life that way. If you're a golfer, you've also got Crail Golf Course, so the ancient golf course is close by, just a few minutes away drive-wise. So again, it entertains and caters for everything you'd want. So really great lifestyle here. You've got all the walks, you've got the countryside, you've got the beaches, you've got the coastal path. Just a really enjoyable lifestyle. This one, easy access as well to the rest of the East Nook. So you've got Pittenweem tidal pool, you've got St Mona's tidal pool, Cellar Dyke tidal pool, so much on your doorstep. And again, likewise, you can go along to St Andrews. You're about a 25-minute drive to St Andrews. So again, if golf or even just an out into the St Andrews is what you'd like to do, then by all means, it's on your doorstep. So really offers a great lifestyle here. 5C Tolbooth Wynd in Crail. This is on the market with ourselves, offers over £275,000. If this one's of interest to yourself, feel free to message me here directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01334 654 221, and it's Perry at Fife Property TV. Feeling quite peaceful actually. It's a beautiful garden. Just let you enjoy it. Take care. Bye bye.